How's it going, meteorologist? Mike Brookins here. Thanks for joining us. Well, let me tell you, the weekend, real quiet weather. I hope you enjoyed it. I know temperatures were way below average. It was chilly, but at least the winds weren't that bad, and we weren't looking at much snow. I can't say we're going to see very much nice weather during the week. It all kicks off later this Sunday night into early Monday, and then it just goes downhill from there. Let's review some of the alerts that are in effect. This starts at midnight tonight and goes until about 10 in the morning for these counties south and east of Syracuse, but not until 7 in the evening on Monday up to the north. It looks like we're kind of surrounded here by winter weather advisories with some accumulating snow as well as ice. We will also get some snow and ice accumulation, Syracuse in through the Finger Lakes. However, just not enough of either one to produce an advisory. Then the cold air comes in, and even if we don't get the lake effect snow in Syracuse for several days, boy, will we find the wind and the cold. It's not going to be record levels, but way below average. And this period, 7 p.m. Monday through 3 p.m. Wednesday, east of Lake Ontario, including Oswego, Jefferson, and Lewis counties, we have lake effect snow warnings. So that was a watch this morning. It's been upgraded to a warning. Conditions almost guaranteed there's going to be some heavy lake effect snow as we head towards Monday night and Tuesday, as that band shifts around. And I think primarily we're talking Jefferson County more than Oswego County further to the south. The high temperature map shows, well, we actually did 1 degree better than this, I think, in between hours, but right around 40 degrees in Syracuse, most spots in the 30s, more similar to what we would find in December versus the middle of November. Let's check in with the almanac and you'll see we did get to 41. That was 7 degrees below our normal high of 48, which, by the way, dropped another degree for today. Low temperature was 32, and that was 1 degree below average. And it looks like tonight we may be, a degree or two below what is typical for this time of year, but not extremely cold. Here's what we can expect for this evening. Let's break down the storm timeline. Lots of clouds, but as far as what falls for them, very little. So through 10, 11 o'clock, most places just dry and chilly. It's going to be after midnight we find periods of snow accumulating. Now, much of the snow is going to be light, so this is not a blizzard. 1, maybe 2 inches of snow by morning. The best chance of the 2 inches would be to the south and southwest of Syracuse and also up towards the northeast. Should be all snowfall here. Maybe some rain mixing in for Wayne County and northern Cuyahoga County late at night. Monday, a wintry mix goes over to rain, although that changeover takes place a lot longer than where it does in Syracuse as you go into the Adirondacks. That's going to taper off in the afternoon. Let's share the futurecast, how it plays out. Here at 11 o'clock, periods of light snow developing. We'll have that through the overnight. During the morning, commute could be messy in spots. If the roads are treated with salt and have their plows out if there's enough snow, shouldn't be too bad. So hopefully, they're watching the forecast and they're going to have those roads in good shape. I think we quickly go over to rain here in Syracuse, so less problem here. Now, where the biggest problems are going to be is the Tug Hill and the Adirondacks. Might not change over until the afternoon up there in the Adirondacks. And then as we go through the day, that tapers to scattered rain showers. And look at this lake effect snow developing Monday night, east and then northeast of Lake Ontario. So overnight we'll drop down to 31 degrees. Snow starts, periods of snow, it's light, changes over to rain early in the day, about 8 a.m. for Syracuse. Other areas, it could be 11 a.m. or even noon, but we eventually get those temperatures up, so we'll get up to 41. Soaking cold rain tapers during the afternoon. Scattered snow showers and flurries for most on Tuesday, and it's going to be cold, 29. Heavy lake snow east of the lake.